Did you put it?
Mm,
No? Yes, you did.
no.
Who did?
Emmy.
Avery.
No.
Avery, did you put it?
Daddy.
Daddy put it?
Yeah.
Well, Daddy's not home.
It's Pappy. Yeah.
Pappy toot it?
Yeah.
Pappy's downstairs. Who put it?
I know.
I don't know
You
either.
did.
Who did, Liam?
You did. Not me.
Not me.
Uh-huh.
Liam, who put it?
Not me.
Not you?
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Who did?
Yeah.
Chad?
No. Me. Not me.
Is it you?
No. No. No.
Who was it, Liam?
What?
Who put it?
Daddy.
He did? He's not home, though.
Ew, Daddy.
Ew, Daddy.
Ew, Daddy.
Who was it? Was it Brayden?
No.
Who?
Not finished.
Not Brayden?
Baba.
Who was it?
Baba.
Who was it that pooted?
Not me. How is it?
Chad did it?
Yeah.
I think it was Cammy.
What?
Cammy.
No.
No?
Not Tommy.
Was it Autumn?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it was Autumn.
And you, Mommy.
Me.
Yeah.
I think it was Lee.